Hello everyone. Today's our session about properties of division of rational numbers. Properties of division of rational numbers. So what is the first property, that is closure property? Closure property. See, if a rational number is divided by some non-zero rational number, the result is always a rational number only. If a rational number is divided by rational number, for suppose rational number is 3 by 4. If a rational number is divided by some non-zero rational number, that is 5 by 8, then what they are saying, the result is always a rational number. Okay, so let me verify with an example, that is 3 by 4 divided by 5 by 8. Division of fractions. So 3 by 4 as it is. What to do now? This is our division symbol. Replace with multiplication symbol and reciprocal of 5 by 8. Reciprocal of rational number 5 by 8 is 8 by 5. Now multiplication of rational numbers. Multiplication of rational numbers is equal to product of their denominators. Right? So 3 into 8 divided by product of their denominators, that is 4 into 5. 3 into 8, 3 8s are 24 divided by 4 into 5, 4 5s are 20. So what they are saying, the result is always a rational number. What about 24 by 20? Yes, it is also a rational number. Then we say that rational numbers are satisfying closure property under division. Rational numbers are satisfying closure property under division. Right? Now our second property, which is our commutative property. What do you mean by commutative property? Actually, division of two rational numbers, commutative property, let me write. Division of two rational numbers is not commutative. Suppose, let me verify with an example. Take two rational numbers, one is 8 by 9 and minus 5 by 6. So whether rational numbers are satisfying commutative property under division or not, let us examine. Right? So take two rational numbers, one is 8 by 9 and minus 5 by 6. So first 8 by 9 divided by minus 5 by 6. Now is equal to, change the order of the rational numbers, minus 5 by 6 divided by 8 by 9. Right? So 8 by 9, this is our division symbol, replaced with multiplication symbol, and the reciprocal of minus 5 by 6 is 6 by minus 5, is equal to minus 5 by 6 as it is. Replace division symbol with multiplication symbol and reciprocal of 8 by 9, that is 9 by 8. Now multiplication of rational numbers, that is product of numerators 8 into 6 and product of denominators 9 into minus 5, is equal to product of numerators minus 5 into 9, product of denominators, right, 6 into 8. So 8 into 6, 8 6 are 48. 9 into minus 5, 9 5s are 45. Minus 5 into 9, 5 9s are 45. And 6 into 8, 6 8s are 48. Check it, the result. What we got? Here we got 48 by minus 45, and whereas in right hand side we got minus 45 by 48. Is the result the same? No. LHS is not equal to RHS. LHS is not equal to RHS. Hence, we can say that rational numbers, division of two different rational numbers is not commutative. I mean, rational numbers are not satisfying commutative property under division. Rational numbers are not satisfying commutative property under division. And our third property is associative property. Associative property. Associative property. Actually, division of rational numbers is not associative. Division of rational numbers is also not associative. Okay, we will verify this result by taking one example. So as I told you, division of rational numbers is not associative. Division of rational numbers is not associative. Okay, let me consider one example. 3 by 7. Suppose minus 5 by 14 and minus 1 by 2. So in associative property, we have to take three rational numbers: 3 by 7, minus 5 by 14, and minus 1 by 2. Right? So first, what we have to do? This as it is, you write down 3 by 7 divided by bracket open minus 5 by 14 divided by minus 1 by 2 is equal to, now first two rational numbers, 3 by 7 divided by minus 5 by 14 bracket divided by minus 1 by 2. Let me verify whether LHS is equal to RHS or not. Rational numbers are satisfying associative property under division or not. So this 3 by 7 as it is. Let me solve what is there in the bracket, that is minus 5 by 14. Minus 5 by 14. Division symbol you replace with multiplication symbol. Reciprocal of minus 1 by 2 is 2 by minus 1 is equal to 3 by 7. Division symbol replace with multiplication symbol, and reciprocal of minus 5 by 14 is 14 by minus 5 divided by minus 1 by 2. Now 3 by 7 divided by, remove the brackets, multiplication of rational numbers, minus 5 into 2 minus 10 plus 14 into minus 1 minus 14. Here also you remove the bracket, multiplication of rational numbers, 3 into 14 42, 7 into minus 5 minus 35 divided by minus 1 by 2. So here division of rational numbers, 3 by 7 replace with multiplication symbol, minus 10 by minus 14 is minus 14 by minus 10. Here also 42 by minus 35 replace with a multiplication symbol, 2 by minus 1. 2 by minus 1. Right? Now 3 into minus 14, 14 3s are 42 by 7 into minus 10, which is minus 17. Now 42 into 2, that is 84, minus into minus plus 35 on the 35. Check here whether LHS is equal to RHS. No, LHS is not equal to RHS. Result is not same. Hence, we say that division of rational numbers is not associative. Division of rational numbers is not associative. And existence of identity of division, identity for division of rational numbers also does not exist. Identity, existence of identity. Identity for division of rational numbers is also not existed. And one more thing, inverse of division of rational numbers is also not existed. Inversion of division of rational numbers. Inversion of division of rational numbers is also does not exist. There is no identity for rational numbers for division. I can write here identity for division of rational numbers. Identity for division of rational numbers does not exist, and inversion of division of rational numbers also does not exist. Okay, this is our topic about properties of division of rational numbers. It is satisfying only for closure property, not even commutative property, associative property, and identity for division and inversion of division of rational numbers also does not exist. Okay, thank you.